A very good morning to all of you dear students. Welcome to all of you to today's class. Today, before starting the class, let's do Brahmanam. Santi, Santi, Santi. Open your eyes. So now let's start today's topic. So dear students, let's start today's class. Today we are going to read a new chapter named In London in Minus Force. So here, what does the title signify? Definitely you are thinking that in London in minus 4 means as in London there is too much winter, and minus 4 is also referring to the climate, to the temperature, isn't it? But no, this is completely different from what we do assume. And this chapter is being written by Louis Fischer. Louis Fischer has taken birth in the year 1896 and died in the year 1970, and he is an outstanding American writer, columnist and analyst of world affairs. He occupies a unique place among Gandhiji's admirers. It means Louis Fischer, even when he was from America, but still he was a great admirer of Mahatma Gandhi. In the West, he has closely studied the life and teachings of Mahatma Gandhi in his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi, and this book is being published in the year 1950. And Louis Fischer has closely studied the lifestyle, the living, the teaching and Gandhiji's behavior, his attitude in different places. Everything is being closely studied by Louis Fischer, and all these things he has written in a book named The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, clear to you? Okay. Now listen, in London in minus 4, and as we know, Mahatma Gandhi was very famous for the weapon non-violence. Non-violence was his footmark. He brought independence to our country by this weapon. And here, this chapter is completely focusing on nature, attitude and behavior, and how Mahatma Gandhi was behaving with common people, with ordinary people, is clearly mentioned throughout this chapter. Look, Mahatma Gandhi was a dignitary because he was the prominent figure in the independence struggle of India. That's why he was heavily snubbed. Snub means what? Means picturized, means he was a wonderful piece of newspaper copy, means he was always in the forefront in the case of independence. So wherever he was going, people were following him, people were becoming his fan. So now let's start the chapter. Gandhi means Mahatma Gandhi sailed. Sailed means what? Not sail means to swim. Okay, here sail means to take a journey by using ship or boat. Gandhi sailed from Bombay, present Mumbai, from Bombay on the SS Rajputana at noon on 29th of August 1931. It means in the very initial line it is mentioned that Mahatma Gandhi started his journey. Where he is going, it is not mentioned in the very first line, but he started his journey by a ship. And what's the name of the ship? SS Rajputana. SS means steamship. Steamship Rajputana. He started his journey on 29th of August 1931. Accompanied means along with by his youngest son Devdas, his chief secretary Mahadev Desai, who he said out Boswell, Boswell. One word is mentioned, out Boswell, Boswell. What does it mean? Listen. Boswell. Boswell was very famous in keeping diary. Means he was always writing diary. But Mahadev Desai was such a person who was writing much more diaries than this Boswell. So out Boswell, out Boswell, out means, it means Mahadev Desai was writing diary in such a manner that he was able to defeat Boswell in the art of diary writing. Okay, means if there was a comparison, Mahadev Desai was having the higher position in comparison to Boswell. Understood? Out Boswell misled Parallel Nair and 8 means assistant. G.D. Birla, okay, G.D. Birla, the textile millionaire, Pandit Malviya and Mrs. Naidu. So these were the person, these were the people who were along with Mahatma Gandhi when Mahatma Gandhi was going to attend something not mentioned here, okay. When Mahatma Gandhi was going to take the journey by ship SS Rajputana. So these were the people, listen, these were the people, they were there with Mahatma Gandhi up to the port. These people didn't go with Mahatma Gandhi, okay, remember it, Mahatma Gandhi was going alone. Later it is mentioned, Gandhi was proceeding means going forward. As soul means alone, delegate means a dignified person, an official person, okay. So what is mentioned, I have written here delegate, a representative of a conference. So Mahatma Gandhi was also going, he was going to represent India in the round table conference. He was going alone and all these names are being mentioned, that Devdas Gandhi, Mahadev Desai and Miss Ladd, Parallel Nair, G.D. Birla and Pandit Malviya, Mrs. Naidu, Sarojini Naidu, okay. These were the people, they were giving company to Mahatma Gandhi up to the port. From there he was going alone, okay. Don't write down that these people are also going along with Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi was going alone to attend the second round table conference in London. No other delegates, no other important person were necessary, since he spoke for the organization and a considerable segment of Vocal India. So considerable means a significant, large in amount, segment means section. Vocal India means what? In order to speak on behalf of India, and Gandhiji had spoken that there is no need for the other people to go there, because he will go as the single person to represent India in the second round table conference, and it is not needed any other person to give him company, because they have to stay in India in order to speak for the cause of India. It means what? Look, in the year 1930, it means at that time India's freedom struggle was the peak, and if all the delegates are going to England, then definitely there will be a crisis, there will be a problem in our country. So to avoid all these things, Gandhiji had declared that he will go alone to attend there, and he will represent India in the second round table conference in London, and other people will stay here in order to continue the freedom struggle. Okay, understood it? In London, from September 12th to 5th of December, he stayed most of the time at Kingsley Hall. So, from which time? From 12th December, from 12th December to 5th December, 12th November, okay. So, from September 12th September to 5th December, okay, understood? So, it is not December, from 12th of September to 5th of December he stayed most of the time as a guest in Kingsley Hall, an East Settlement house, as a guest of Muriel Lasher, who had visited him in 1926. So in this time period he was staying with Muriel Lasher as a guest, and he stayed there in East Settlement house in Kingsley Hall. Understood it? Means there Gandhiji was living as a guest of Muriel Lasser, because this person had paid a visit to Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1926. Mornings, he took walks through the nearby slum area, and what was he doing during the morning time? He was taking morning walk as we used to do. So here Mahatma Gandhi was also taking morning walk in the slum area during the morning time, and men and women on the way to work would smile at him and engage them in conversation, and later came to their homes. And what was Mahatma Gandhi doing? He was going to morning walk, and he was not maintaining himself even when he was the leader of India, and he was very free and frank, he was very friendly with people. So whenever he was going on a morning work, he was able to see that men and women, they are going to their respective workplace. And what was Mahatma Gandhi doing? Mahatma Gandhi was talking to him, talking to those people, because those people were smiling at Mahatma Gandhi. And there is also another reason that why people are smiling at Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi was talking to them because he was quite friendly. And later Mahatma Gandhi was also paying visit to their respective houses. Understood it? It means, just think one thing, Mahatma Gandhi was not keeping the relationship up to the conversation only. He was just treating others as one of their family members. That's why later he was going to their respective houses. And children called him Uncle Gandhi. And how was he being called by the children? Children are calling him Uncle Gandhi. And satellite means to walk closely but silently. Kids were feeling ashamed of, means as he was a dignitary, so kids were not having the daring to go near him, but still they are going along, means they were walking with him parallelly. They were little bit afraid of, and they were also feeling ashamed of it, but still they were walking along with Mahatma Gandhi and held his hand. And what were the kids doing? They were holding the hand of Mahatma Gandhi out of love and affection. One mischief loving youngster like you people. Okay, there was a boy and he was very mischief loving, very mischievous, and once he called out, "Hey Gandhi!" And how did he call? "Hey Gandhi, where's your trousers?" Okay, so what was the question? The question was, "Hello Mr. Gandhi, where's your trousers?" And the Mahatma had a good laugh, and Mahatma Gandhi, he didn't react, he just started laughing because the question was like this. As you know, Mahatma Gandhi was wearing dress up to the knees, that's why people are smiling at him. And now this boy also asked the same question, what's the problem in it? Because the boy was also asking a genuine question, "Hello Mr. Gandhi, where's your trouser?" Because he was wearing a dhoti, okay, up to the knees, okay, loin cloth he was wearing. That's why the kid asked like this, and Mahatma Gandhi also didn't get angry on that boy. Instead of getting angry, he just gave a hearty smile. Understood? This is your unit 1. So in this unit 1, what's the theme? The theme is the complete unit is related to Mahatma Gandhi's journey to attend second roundtable conference in London, and he went by steamship. SS means steamship, okay, steamship Rajputana, and a number of dignitaries were there with him to go, but they went up to the port, but Mahatma Gandhi was going alone to attend the second roundtable conference, because others they have to stay in India in order to speak for the cause of India. And Mahatma Gandhi, from September 12th to December 5th, he was living as a guest of Muriel Lasser in the East Settlement House, and there he was taking morning walk. He was talking to people who were going to their respective workplaces. Gandhiji was also visiting to their respective houses, and kids were especially fond of Mahatma Gandhi. It means it shows that Gandhiji was a person with lots of love and affection. He must be showing too much love and affection for the kids. That's why the kids were quite friendly to him. And one of the mischief loving young boy, he once asked, "Hello Mr. Gandhi, where's your trouser?" And by listening this, Mahatma Gandhi also, he didn't get angry. He just was having a very hearty and a very good laugh. Okay, with this, your unit 1 is over. You just read it. Any doubt you have, you can ask me. Till that time, have a nice time. Good day.